Hello and welcome to this video about Audiolab 8000 CD. This is a modern unit, and as you know I'm not a great fan of modern units. However, I have to say I'm pleasantly surprised here. It's well made, does what it's supposed to do well. Let me turn it down a bit. And you know, reads table of contents fast and jumps to tracks and reads absolutely anything, you know, CDRs and or most of them. I think one it refused, my sort of the one that's getting yellowish. Power supply is alright, not very elaborate, but there's nothing wrong with it as such. You know, 3 rectifiers on discrete diodes. Regulators, 7 of them I counted, but you know, who knows how many there are inside of that can. This is where the servo lives. A lot of manufacturers in England put servos inside of, you know, those Faraday cages, which is, you know, good thing, you know, obviously less noise. Mechanism is a VAM 2202, which is a newer production from Philips. It actually hangs. It's mounted on 3 screws only, 1, 2, 3, and it hangs in the air. I've never seen that before. Normally they're bolted to the bottom of the chassis. I wanted to show you more of it, but I can't because it slides out, but there's this audio board and I'll have to take it all apart completely to be able to get it out. And you know, because the player is working fine, there's no point of, you know, ripping it apart just to show the insides. SPDIF is pretty good, maybe not exemplary, but certainly nothing wrong with it, you know. Certainly better than any CEC transport, or maybe with the exception of 51XR. As far as DAC, this is Cirrus Logic CS4329KP. I really like Cirrus Logic stuff because it's found in electro-accompanied. This particular one has got audio research, audio mecha elixir, AVM competition, Deucen. I've never heard of Deucen. Uses 4 of them in one of the Entech number cruncher. Never heard of that one either, but it's certainly a good name. Meridians have different version, KS version, then there's Tag McLaren, you know, and another Micromega. So as you see, only found in good designs. Well, display is clear. There's nothing very much to say about it. You can turn off display, which is a nice thing. And that's about all, you know. Change the time as in any other CD player. But overall has a good feel, reads everything. It sounds pretty good too, you know. That remote I have from 8000 S amp, so it's almost a pair, but you know, the amp is sadly silver one, so it cannot be really sold as a combo. Well, thank you very much, and till the next one.